friends, myself Dr. Manish Agrawal, diabetologist and endocrine physician from Ahmedabad, and I have the 50 bed of the especially particular diabetic related complication hospital at Ahmedabad satellite. Today we are going to discuss very burning and hot issue, what about the irreversible of the diabetes There is a lot of the patient, they are asking with me, okay, diabetes can be cured? What about it? It is still of this particular myth effect what. So I am going to highlight what will be irreversible of the diabetes can be occur. Everybody is knowing India is a capital of diabetes after the China, but post-COVID we are seeing of the most of the diabetic patients of the post-COVID challenging because of the COVID itself can cause some of the new onset of drugs of this particular. In 2023, I think we will cross the China. We will in number 1 according to the WHO ICMR data. We are seeing lot of that. So these a lot of the questions and arise patient is pre-diabetic and diabetic के डॉक्टर साहब ये डायबिटीज मेरा निकल जाएगा, ये रिवर्सिबल हो जाएगा. दिस इज अ वेरी हॉट एंड बर्निंग इशू. First, I want to tell all my viewer of clinicians, my colleagues, a practitioner who are practicing as a diabetologist, type 1 diabetes cannot be reversible. Whatever. Some of the LADA, MODI diabetes cannot be reversible. But some of the diabetes who are pre-diabetic, who are having the HbA1c in between 5.7 to 6.4, these diabetes can be reversed by the diet, exercise and weight modifications. Whatever. These are some of the lifestyle. But some of the young patients who are having the HbA1c 8 or 9, 8 or 8.5%, and here they are obese, and some of the trigger risk factor, or suppose we are going to this trigger risk factor, diabetes can be reversed, and complete reverse, and patient can be euglycemic, patient can be non-diabetic if they are going to follow the diet, exercise and weight reductions. But some of the patients having the HbA1c more than 9.5, lean and thin, there is no comorbid conditions, diabetes cannot be reversed by this particular life and diet and lifestyle modification. They need of some of the medications of the either diet, metformin, SGLT inhibitor, DPT4 inhibitor, and suppose these are not going to control with the various OD, they need of the insulin. So my take home message, some extent diabetes, type 2 diabetes, some extent up to the pre-diabetic populations, HbA1c in between 7 to 7.5, and they are obese and some trigger factor. Suppose we are going to this trigger factor, this diabetes can be permanently reversed by the lifestyle modifications but patient is having lean and thin, having the HbA1c more than 8.5 and 9% with a long standing of the diabetes, this diabetes cannot be reversed Thank you. Jai Hind.